Hello, I'm David and you're watching Cruise Show UK. We're on board Carnival Cruise Line's biggest, newest ship, the Mardi Gras, and we've booked a Cove balcony cabin. It's on deck 5, it's cabin 5500. Let's go and have a look. So come on in, we'll take a look around. Two large wardrobes here and the bathroom here. I'll come back to that, but let's start with the bed. It's a lovely king size bed. I like all the fabrics, it's all new, and I like the way they've done this runner. Normally it's a separate piece of fabric, but on this one they printed it on the duvet cover. I like that because it gets washed every time they change the bed. And then on either side of the bed you've got a unusual bedside. Well, it's not a table, it's a shelf, but it's functional. Yeah, it's nothing wrong with it. And then you've got a bedside reading light, which I really like. And on both sides, they've got a USB socket. It's USB-A, which is great. I love this backing and the lighting. I like this. The light sockets have been thoughtfully placed right in the center there, so both have got access to the lights. I like that. It's a good feature. I'll give the bed a try. I haven't been on it yet. Yeah, oh, it's nice. Oh, yeah, I think this is going to be a nice bed to sleep in. The TV is really good. It's a good size, lovely screen on there, and you can check everything, what's going on the ship. You can check all the menus, your account. It looks really good. What do you think to this remote? Looks like something from the, I don't know, the 60s. It's got a retro vibe to it. Clean remote. I guess because the buttons are all flush, so it's easy to clean it rather than the a standard remote, but that's a bit retro looking. The lounge area now, so you've got a nice big sofa, and I love this vanity area, a nice big shelf, and that mirror's great. I love the lighting around it. Carnival allow you to buy water before you get on board the ship, and it's a really good deal. You get 2 packs of 6 and it's about $6, so I think that's a good deal really, so worth doing before you get on board the ship. You can really tell this is a modern ship. There's plenty of sockets. There's 3 American power sockets and 4 USB-A sockets. I really like that they provide some really good quality masks there. The KN95, you get 2 of those, and I guess if you want more, you just ask for more. And then there's a QR code directory with all things safety information, stateroom cleaning, staying connected, and loyalty benefits. I'll put this on screen so you can pause the video if you want to have a look. If they're not working, I'll put links to PDFs in the description below for you to have a look. Just on the end here, you've got a refreshment station. There's more water there, and an ice bucket, and there's a telephone there, stateroom telephone, and a couple of good sized shelves. Underneath the refreshment station, there's a cooler. It comes empty, but they do allow you to bring on 12 cans of soda per person, which is what we've done, so ours is stocked. And then you've got 3 good sized drawers for all your clothes. There's a hairdryer in there as well. Next to the drawers you've got a storage ottoman, which is really nice. It's extra storage in there. You can fit quite a lot of stuff in there, and the top is quite a good idea. You turn it upside down and then it's a nice tray. Let's go and have a look at this balcony. It's quite unique. It's a really nice little balcony. So as I said before, this is a deck 5 Cove balcony cabin, and so the balcony is shaded. It's in the side of the hull, so it's different to a normal balcony. I guess a normal balcony you would get a lot more sunlight, but I really like this balcony, and I like the fact that we're on deck 5. We're really low to the water, and when you're in the cabin there's lots of light and lots of glass. You've really got a connection to the ocean, and I really like that. That's why I chose this cabin. I think this is what cruising's all about for me. sitting on the balcony with a lovely breakfast, yeah, with a great view of the ocean. And with this balcony, you're so low, you've really got a good connection with the ocean. It's right there. It's brilliant. Okay, this is a small balcony, I will say that, but this is what you're here for, this view. But I will say it is small. You do have to jiggle around a bit, but it's great. I like it. Come with me, let's have a look at the bathroom. So you've got two good sized wardrobes in this room, which I really like, and there's loads of shelving options, plenty of clothes hangers. There's lots of different sections, and you can divide it up and use the space however you want to use it, which is really, really good. They've really thought about this. In this second wardrobe, again, you've got lots of options to use the space how you like it. There's also a mini safe in here, which is a good size. You might get a small laptop in there, but plenty of space for an iPad and things like that. And then there are two clothes baskets. I haven't seen it on any other ship. It's a good idea. And again, you've got the shelving units that you can open up if you want to use it like that, and more space to hang clothes as well. So this is the bathroom. Come on in. It is very compact in here, but it's a nice modern bathroom, lovely and clean. You've got two good sized shelves. There's a nice vanity mirror there, nice sink area with a lovely bright mirror and some shelving underneath, but it is very compact in here, I will say that. Plenty of towels and a very nice shower. It's a nice little bathroom, but it is small. In summary, I really like this cabin. My favourite thing about the cabin though is the view, not just when you're on the balcony, but when you're in the cabin looking out, you really get a great perspective of the ocean there, a real connection, and you can hear the waves. It's very different to having a normal balcony because you're so much further up. I have noticed when comparing this ship to the sister ship, which is the P&O Iona, I really like the wardrobe setup on this ship. On the Iona, you have to really squeeze past the bed to get to the wardrobe. It's much better on the Mardi Gras. And also on this ship, the cabin doesn't narrow. On the Iona, towards the balcony, it narrows in. It doesn't do that on this ship. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helped me out, and consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. It really helps me out. Leave a comment below what you think of the room. Have you been on the Mardi Gras? Are you going to come on the Mardi Gras? Yeah, I really, really like it. Until next time, I will see you up on deck.